So this exchange, this crypto exchange, took more than $1 million from my account. So right now I'm trading on Quotex. I'm using my own strategy. If you have access to my course, please go to the last chapter, the advanced level strategy, and yeah, you will try to follow up. So here, so what I was saying is that there is a crypto exchange. I was trading crypto on an exchange as usual. I trade crypto on different exchanges, right? But this exchange, what they did is that they waited for me to make profit on their platform, and once I made some money on their platform, they took everything, right? They took everything. That's crazy. That's crazy. I said, I talked to them. I tried to talk to them. I said that I wasn't cheating on your platform. They said, no, you are not allowed to use what the techniques that you are losing. But yeah, everybody use a trading strategy. Everybody use, right? Everybody use that trading exchange, that indicators. Everybody do that, but they said no, you can't do that. So they took everything. They put my money on hold for the moment. I don't know if they took it or not, but I'm trying my best. I will try my best to take my money back, right? I will try my best to take my money back, but I don't know. So I want you guys to be careful, because I want you to be careful when you're choosing a platform where you want to trade, right? Because you will put your money on that platform, and if that platform take your money, I mean, you will lose a lot of money. Trust me, you will lose everything. That's why I want you to be careful when you are trying to start your training career. Of course, you choose the platform before choosing the strategy. Please keep that on your mind. Sorry, another win here, another win. So by the way, guys, I'm trading binary options on Quotex. You can trade on other platforms. There's no problem if you are trading on IQ option. I usually trade on IQ option, but here I'm trading with Quotex because I like some features on Quotex. Also, you can trade on Olympic Trade. That is also binary options, but I don't advise you to choose any one of them. I advise you to look for the best one for you. Do some research on them, look for reviews, read reviews, of course, and yeah, once you pick the right one for you, then learn a good strategy. I invite you to learn my own strategy, but if I don't know, if you don't want to learn my strategy, that's okay. That's okay if you don't want to learn my strategy, but I want you to learn a good strategy. I don't want you to buy signals. I don't want you to listen to mentors or those who try to scam you by selling you fake signals, because there's plenty of people that will try. What they do, they will try to sell you fake signals. I don't know how it's possible, but some people fell for it. Yep, another win. So I still have, guess, like, let's open another trade. This one is going down, so yeah, this one is going down. So as I was saying, guys, some people fell for it. You will lose your money if you follow those mentors. Don't try to buy signals, right? Don't try to buy signals. Try to learn by yourself and generate your own signals. Try to generate your own signals, because trust me, that's risky. That's risky, and that I want you to lose your money. I don't want you to lose your money, honestly. Yeah. So yeah, let's go. This one is also going down. As predicted, this is a red candle, and yeah, another profit We made $410. $410 profit. Let me see. So that's $910 taken with me, but yeah, $410. As you can see here, I'm investing $500 with a 1 minute expiration time on Euro USD, and if my prediction is right, I'm taking with me 82%. 82%. That's beautiful. That's my tradings on Quotex. If you don't have enough money, guys, and you are a beginner, just take your time, guys, and try to trade here on demo account. Try to trade on demo account, and I guess that yeah, you will be able to learn. Try to test different indicators. Try to learn what indicators. My strategy, the indicators used on my strategy, guys, as you can see, simply parabolic SAR, Bollinger Bands. So yeah, I made a win here. Bollinger Bands and the RSI. So this one is going down. Yep, this one is going down. So try to learn a good indicators for yourself. Don't try to follow others. Don't try to follow their signals. Try to learn your strategy. Try to learn indicators. The way I use the indicators is different from what everybody else, right? I have my own way to use my indicators. I have my own way to use my chart patterns. So chart patterns, this one will help me understand the movement of the market. And yeah, I guess that with time, you'll be able to predict exactly what will be happening with the market. You'll be able to predict the exact colors of the next candles. You will understand which direction the market's taking. And yeah, you will start with just trying. Let me wait a minute, please. You will start by trying resistance lines, support lines, trend lines, different shapes, engulfing, a hammer, inverse hammer, three bottoms, three double bottoms, head and shoulders. There's plenty of chart patterns. I use some of them, but I have my own, right? I have my own chart patterns, sorry, and I also use these famous indicators, simple indicators, right? Simple indicators, like here I'm using Bollinger Bands. So with binary option, I use parabolic SAR, Bollinger Bands, and RSI. The way I use them is different. So these indicators, the way I use them is different. I use them with my own techniques and my own strategy. So everything is in the course. So if you're interested, guys, the course is in the description below. Just go there and try to learn. So this one is going to be the last trade. Yeah, this is the last trade here. Yep. So see you later, guys.